Welcome back to Family Investment. Today I want to speak about my favorite stock, obviously, AMD, Dr. Lee says, amazing company. So the earnings is about a week away on the 30th of January. And there's a couple of news that I would like to share on upcoming pre-earnings, something what you need to watch out for as an investor, especially the matrix going forward. A few key reminders on the chart here. As you can see, it's starting to already break out the last all-time high, and the Fibonacci for the next top is 280, which is pretty far away. For the AMD, we are really interested in the Q4 estimated 0.77 earnings. Will it go higher or break? But what's more important is going forward, will this forecast for Q1, Q2 and Q3 this year go even higher? In quick context, to compare to NVIDIA, AMD can only supply 400,000 of the MI300 chip compared to NVIDIA's already flying with 1.5 million and actually even higher. And because we got really some great news after TSMC's announcement on their earnings, we've seen even higher numbers potentially coming out for their chip. So only Beth Kin has reported that the shipment from the earlier 400,000 could potentially go up 600,000 because TSMC capacity allows it. So with 400,000 units as anticipated in December, that will be equivalent to 8 billion additional in revenue. But then if they actually increase because of TSMC to 600,000, we're talking about $12 billion in revenue, which is $4 billion more. So if that news was true, this estimate of 26 billion for 2024 potentially could go up to $30 billion, which would really boost it. So that's the real reason what pushes AMD higher to the over 170 mark without even noticed. But the real question is, how much is AMD going to charge the clients for their new chip? According to my calculation before, I was using 20,000 as per what I found on the internet, but we really don't know how much Lisa Su is charging their clients. So that'll be one of the most key questions that will push the stock higher or pull it back down to 150 is how much are they charging for the chip. In comparison to NVIDIA and AMD MI300, which is the new one, AMD has claimed that they're 1.3 times faster because of their memory capacity design, which is far newer than NVIDIA's, which is around about almost 1 year old release already. However, I've spoken to a lot of industry people on Twitter and they've replied that the difference between AMD and NVIDIA is the fact that NVIDIA has got the software capability. That's why they can charge more through the software value. AMD has been working hard on it, working with multiple suppliers like Hugging Face, and will they come up with a surprise? But it takes time. NVIDIA is already ahead of the game, but AMD is catching up. But price point, NVIDIA can hold advantage still. So I still want to be realistic, and AMD hitting the 213, it's all going to depend on the price point. 600,000 capacity, is that what they really can produce for next year to all their clients? Or will they surprise us with additional information which could have changed? So this is what I think of AMD. Let's take a step back and relax and have a forecast to a look toward its earnings, because it could make or break. This information could be overly optimistic. Remember, there are rumors until Lisa Su comes out and announce what's really happening. And also, who knows, she can get loads of clients, but it's all end of the day is how much they can supply that year and what price point they can enter in competition to NVIDIA. So wait till the 30th of January and I will share more post earnings on AMD and will they really break it out. At the moment, it's very over promising, but again, keep an open mind and that's where we will go. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed, and do follow me on buytrigger.io and also family.investor for my blog, and sign up to my YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, everywhere. I'm trying to help everyone. Thank you, take care, and have a good day.